here is the box. As you can see, I have already cut it open. Now, let's see what's inside. Just kidding, I already know what it is. There's one more little teaser piece of cardboard here. I kind of like it. Don't really know what's going to be behind it. Let's see, what is it? More teaser pieces. Just kidding, these are the instructions. Nice to see. I know how to use an instruction though, so that should be good. I know how to use a vacuum, I mean, so I should be good. Cat's coming by to take a look at it. I think it's packed in here nicely. It's not going anywhere. You can tell that they care a lot about their equipment, making sure it's packed in there real well. Penelope is taking a look at it. She approves. Right? Yeah, she likes it. So here looks to be like the shaft piece. We got the little vacuum piece here, all of them in their own bags. Take the shaft back out of there. How many times can I say shaft in this video? Here's like the power adapter. Plug it in, charge it up. Penelope's getting in the box to help us out. Let's see what she finds. That one next. Okay. This looks to be a little adapter cleaner piece. Good for the crevices. I like to keep the crevices clean. Next, we've got what appears to be the tank and the blower. It's really the part that sucks on the vacuum. I'm looking forward to putting this to use. And there goes Joe. Orfeld vacuum. Last but not least, over here, if I can get it out one-handed, is the battery pack. Feels kind of heavy, like a nice battery. It's got the support email on there. 7/24 service. I think they mean 24/7 service, but language barriers. There's the empty box. Pretty evident it's empty. Those little compartments, nothing in them. Nice and empty. Let's take out this cardboard mold. Nothing in there but air. Not going to throw out any parts. Bet you if we wait a second, a cat will jump in here. Send her back to China. Just kidding. And there you have it. That's the vacuum cleaner on the outside of the box. Don't want to show my address. You can see that there is battery in there, but then they have a picture of the vacuum cleaner when it's all assembled. And looking forward to trying it out. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks.